Hello everyone, and welcome to this comprehensive Excel tutorial that will transform you from a complete beginner into an Excel pro in no time. I'm your host, and in this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to become an Excel master. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your skills, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. Chapter 1, Getting Started with Excel. 1.1 Excel Interface. To kick things off, let's launch Microsoft Excel. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the Microsoft website or use the online version. Once you're in, you'll see a blank spreadsheet. This is where the magic happens. We'll start by understanding the Excel interface, including the ribbon, worksheets, and cells. Overview of the ribbon, tabs, and commands. The ribbon, tabs, and commands are the backbone of Excel's user interface. The ribbon is that horizontal strip at the top, housing various tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. Each tab contains related commands and functions. Tabs are your gateways to various commands. For instance, the Home tab contains commonly used commands like copy, paste, and formatting options. Commands are the specific tools and actions you can use in Excel. For example, within the Home tab, you'll find the font group, which allows you to change font styles, sizes, and colors. Navigation between worksheets and cells. Now, navigating between worksheets and cells is crucial. Worksheets are displayed as tabs at the bottom of the window, and you can easily switch between them. Cells are the building blocks of Excel's workspace, identified by unique cell references. You can select a cell either by clicking on it with your mouse or using keyboard navigation keys like arrow keys, tab, or Shift plus Tab. Customizing the ribbon. Did you know you can even customize the ribbon to suit your needs? Right-click the ribbon and choose Customize the ribbon. Here, you can add new tabs, create custom groups, and add frequently used commands. This personalization can significantly streamline your workflow. Efficient navigation between worksheets and cells. Efficient navigation within worksheets and cells is crucial in Excel. You can use sheet tabs, keyboard shortcuts like Control plus page up and Control plus page down, or even the right-click menu to switch between worksheets. Customizing the Quick Access Toolbar, QAT. And don't forget the Quick Access Toolbar, QAT. To add a command to it, simply right-click the desired command in the ribbon and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. This makes your most used tools readily accessible. Here's a pro tip. I personally incorporate the Select Visible command from my Quick Access Toolbar, QAT. This function is incredibly helpful when you're performing filtering and need to change the data of only the visible cells or filtered rows. Understanding the Excel interface and how to navigate it efficiently is fundamental to using Excel effectively. It sets the stage for all your Excel tasks, from data entry to advanced data analysis and visualization. Additionally, understanding customization options like the ribbon and Quick Access Toolbar empowers you to tailor Excel to your specific needs, boosting productivity. Efficient navigation within worksheets and cells is fundamental to working effectively with data in Excel. 1.2 Creating a new workbook. How to start a new Excel workbook. Starting a new workbook in Excel is one of the fundamental tasks you'll perform. Here's a step-by-step guide. Launch Excel. Open Microsoft Excel from your computer's applications or the Start menu. You'll typically find it as part of the Microsoft Office suite. Blank Workbook. When Excel opens, you're presented with a blank workbook by default. This blank workbook consists of one worksheet, also known as Sheet 1. Multiple worksheets. You can add additional worksheets by clicking the plus button to the right of the Sheet tabs at the bottom of the window. These sheets allow you to organize and separate your data within a single workbook. Different file formats and when to use them. Excel supports various file formats, each with its purpose. It's essential to understand these formats and when to use them. XLSX, Excel Workbook. This is the default format for Excel workbooks. It's suitable for most scenarios, including data storage, analysis, and sharing with others. XLSX files can contain multiple worksheets and support complex formatting, formulas, and charts. .csv, comma-separated values CSV is a plain text format used for storing tabular data. It's a simple and widely supported format that's useful for data interchange between different software and platforms. You might use CSV when exporting data from Excel to be used in other applications like databases or statistical software. Note that CSV files don't store formatting or multiple sheets. They contain raw data only. .xls, Excel 97 to 2003 Workbook. This is an older Excel format that's compatible with older versions of Excel. While .xlsx is the preferred format for modern Excel versions, you might encounter .xls files when working with legacy data or older software. .xlsm, Excel macro enabled. Workbook. This format allows you to save workbooks containing macros, automation scripts. Macros can automate repetitive tasks in Excel, and .xlsm files preserve these macros when you save and reopen the workbook. Other formats. Excel also supports other formats like .xlsb, binary, Workbook, .xltx, Excel template, and .xltm, Excel macro-enabled template, each serving specific purposes. Understanding these file formats is crucial because using the right format ensures compatibility, data integrity, and efficient data exchange when working with Excel. Students should be aware of when to use each format to suit their data storage and sharing needs. 1.3 Basic Workbook Operations. Saving a workbook. To save your Excel workbook, click on the File tab in the ribbon, usually the leftmost tab. Select Save or Save As from the menu. Save will save your changes to the existing file, while Save As allows you to save a copy with a different name or in a different location. Choose a location on your computer or cloud storage where you want to save the. Provide a file name and select the desired file format, e.g., .xlsx, .csv. Click the Save button. Opening a workbook. To open an existing workbook, click on the File tab. Select Open from the menu. Navigate to the location of the workbook you want to open. Select the workbook file and click the Open button. Renaming worksheets and workbooks. Renaming worksheets. Double-click on the Sheet tab you want to rename, e.g., Sheet 1. The tab name will become editable. Type in the new name. Press Enter to save the new name. Renaming workbooks. To rename the entire workbook, click on the File tab. Choose Save As. In the Save As dialog, you can change the file name or location. Click Save to save the workbook with the new. Closing and exiting Excel. Closing a workbook. To close the active workbook without exiting Excel, click the X button in the top right corner of the workbook window or press Ctrl+W, CMD+W on Mac. If there are unsaved changes, Excel will prompt you to save them before closing. Exiting Excel. To completely exit Excel, closing all open workbooks in the program itself, click the File tab and select Exit or simply click the X button in the top right corner of the Excel application window. Understanding these basic workbook operations is crucial for managing your Excel files efficiently. Properly saving and organizing your workbooks, renaming sheets and workbooks as needed, and knowing how to close or exit Excel ensure that you can work effectively and protect your data. These operations form the foundation for more advanced Excel tasks.